I've been thinking about you.
What up, guys? I'm going to Key West. On my way to Key West to see my cousin Sam, and we about to go. What we about to do again? We gonna do some water activities tomorrow. Izzy is going to Bahamas. I'm going to Key West. So we both about to be lit. You hear me? But it's a 4-hour drive, I think. 3 or 4 hour drive. We're gonna see how long it's taking this Miami traffic. Yeah, because we already going by 60 miles an hour. And that ain't what I'm supposed to be doing. It's HOV lane, so we doing 80 right now, bro. So that's holding me back a little bit. I just came from Walmart, and I was thinking about getting some food, but they were like, oh, do I want to be spending so much money, or do I want to be cheap? So, excuse me, so rude, so rude. I got me some Cuban bread. It's a Cubano bread, which is $1. I was trying to get some French bread. You know that French, that hot, that just got out the oven. That'd be so scrumptious. Put some butter on it, but I couldn't find that. It wasn't none. I guess it was too late in the day. So I had to settle for Cubano bread, and I got me some Starbucks. You know that new Starbucks junk? That junk is lit. That junk is so tasty, but it don't really go too well with the bread like I wanted it to, because it's not hot. The bread not hot and the coffee not hot, so it's just like whatever. I'll see y'all when I get there. It's 2:42 and Sam making salads and baked potatoes. Well, we is because boys. We so tired. I'm so tired. He was tired, and he got
burst the energy.
Yeah.
And hunger hit me, so.
Sam don't know whether this yum sauce gonna really be salad dressing or not.
It sounds good.
We on this yacht party, you know. We rich. Well, we had
He's a millionaire right here.
That's our friend. We just met him. He buying us all the drinks right now.
All of them. Open bar.
Open bar.
Just gotta pay.
You just gotta pay. You just gotta pay like $15. That's it. That's it.
I wish. If he said that.
For real. No.
It says top shelf.
You already know. Free beer and well drinks. What's well drinks? Top shelf, right?
But we ain't got VIP.
But I'm just saying, what's well drinks?
Selling and whatnot. We rich. Y'all poor.
It's green button. I just showed you where it was about a minute ago. Green button, handlebars. It's up on front of the left handlebar. It's on front of the left handlebar. Oh boy. Make an L with your hands. If you can't figure it out, you can't drive it, so. Listen, bro, it's on front of the left handlebar, right where I showed you.
On the
try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes, comes through clear. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side. And whatever comes, comes through clear. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this tough. It's my favorite part, we see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the It's on the wrist of Lincoln charms, yeah. My hair was little Lincoln pop, like we could die all dog, like we could die all long. If we could see it 2020, twice we could see it till the end. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes, comes. Put that spotlight on her face. Put that spotlight on her face. We gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like a Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go yard. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good lord. Good gracious, staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information, take vacation to Malaysia. You my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. Swallow the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mansion, 20,000 painted Picasso. Picture be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Took up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. Having it, every color working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass that's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out. Do you try on all your nights like this? Yeah. Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side. Whatever comes, comes too clear. Do you try on all your nights like this? Yeah. Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side. Whatever comes, comes.
So, Sam made us fall off a jet ski.
You should have told me that turn was too short.
You do that. You never turn well. We was the last ones to go back to jet ski because of his fine. Some dude, what he did again? He went all the way over the.
Oh yeah.
He was supposed to just glide on in to park. Your boy went over that. Now he gotta pay for it. Well, we so tired. We had fun. Yeah, what's your thoughts? You had fun?
Tired, I need to get nap with some Cuban food.
Some Cuban food? You got that Cuban bread at the house?
It's just, you ever been to Salmone?
No.
It's like real good. Call it weed.
Somebody tell me what's going on here. Why the baby in the sun by himself?
Hey, baby.
You know they smuggling babies around here. Come on now. Oh, where'd your booty have it, girl? What? I know you feel that thing. You need to take it out. Now we at a pool party. After about 9 hours, we finally eating. Besides our pancake in a bag with syrup in it. We ain't show y'all that, but that's the new invention. Everything good. I'm being smuggled to the army base. Bro, it's hot, bro. All right. Trying to get in because basically gotta have an ID to get into this place, but boy, I'm about to die here, boy. It's hot. Huh? It's locked. Oh, never mind. Oh my gosh. I can see why people can die in there. I done did 15 activities, boy.
On and on.
I know, right? It is. Hey, yeah, what bad? Waste your time 2017. Back out again. About to go to Fat Tuesdays. What the heck you got going on, bro? Wow. I don't know what you said. Definitely taking a shot. This dude just bought us all drinks right now, bro. Oh my God. I'm so tired, and these just need to shut up. He say I had a party, but he the one cleaning up. Oh, huh? Talking about I made a party.
You want dirty.
I'm about to leave. It's like 5 o'clock, 5:44, 5:33, some o'clock. But it was cool. But I gotta get home. It's a 4-hour drive that I don't want to take. But it's been real, Key West. I'll be back. I'm gonna show y'all the base that, the part that I was in the trunk. Where the military people be at, Army, or the Navy. I don't know where we at, bro, to be honest. Yeah, this is the part I was in the back of the trunk. Yeah, they don't check nothing, bro. This is the most unsafe Navy, Navy base ever. They don't check your car. They don't check who's in the car with you. You can have something but lighting in the back seat. They don't even know. They don't even care. All they do is check people, the driver ID, and make sure that you're supposed to be there. It's crazy. Anybody can be on that base. Ran into some traffic. You see how long that is? I don't see if y'all can see all the way down there. But that joint's still backed up. Oh my What's this little? You see that little gap? Better close that gap, boy. So good to be home. Ugh. That drive, bro. I just don't want to drive forever now. I don't want to go to work tomorrow. I don't want to go to school tomorrow. I don't want to do nothing but go to bed, sleep. But that's like any other day, though. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, please like, comment. Give us feedback, all that other stuff. Thank you guys for supporting and all of that good stuff. I'm just so tired right now. All right, bye.
I've been thinking about you.